Yo, internet warriors. Ever wondered how hackers operate? Forget dark figures in hoodies. Tonight, we're transforming you into digital detectives, wielding the power of ethical hacking to shield the world from bad guys. Buckle up, because we're about to crack the code on cybersecurity secrets in a way that's mind-blowing and epic. Think Sherlock Holmes meets Mission Impossible with a dash of tech wizardry thrown in. Here's how it unfolds. Stage 1. Intel gathering, decoding the digital puzzle. Think digital cloak and dagger. You'll scour the web, charm your way into conversations, and even leverage public data like a social media ninja. The goal? Unearth the target's vulnerabilities before anyone else. Stage 2. Vulnerability. Hunting. Chinks in the digital armor. Time to channel your inner tech sleuth. You'll comb through databases, unleash digital bombs to expose hidden flaws, and even analyze code like a master architect. Every vulnerability is a potential entry point, just waiting to be discovered. Stage 3. Cracking the code, the hacker's playground. Get ready for the adrenaline rush. Using sleek tools or your own custom exploits, you'll unlock systems like a digital Houdini. Imagine picking a lock with lines of code instead of rusty tools. This is where the real magic happens. Stage 4. Level up. Escalating privileges. Climbing the digital ladder. Picture infiltrating a castle, but stuck in the basement. You need to climb the digital ladder, gaining higher access levels like a strategist. Think lateral movement, exploring connected systems, and privilege escalation, unlocking admin powers. The deeper you go, the greater the secrets you uncover. Stage 5. Vanishing Act. Covering your tracks, the ninja hacker. Like a ninja in the shadows, you need to remain undetected. Backdoors become secret tunnels. Log manipulation erases your footprints, and rootkits make you invisible within the system. Master the art of vanishing, leaving no trace of your digital adventure. Bonus stage. The ethical dilemma. Data or defense? The hero's choice. This is where the true hero emerges. Will you steal data like a villain, or report vulnerabilities and patch them like a champion? The choice is yours, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. This is just a taste of the thrilling world of ethical hacking. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing videos, subscribe for cybersecurity secrets, and join the fight for a safer digital world. Remember, knowledge is power. Use it wisely to become a hero of the internet.
Quantum Quibble.